Alright, so I'm going to go over a couple things that you could do with Reddit and with blogs and things like that. Got a lot of windows open. Okay, so first of all, what I'm doing right now is I'm backing up both John Smith's Truth Seekers blog and the Murmury Evidence subreddit. And I guess I could just show how this works in practice when everything's working the way you want it. You could also make a giant PDF file. This hasn't come out too great because I'm not done with it yet. But this is basically... I have to work a little bit more on getting it to get rid of the extra stuff that's in here, these A's. I have to be able to figure out how to set those out. But basically, this is the content of John Smith's blog. It's been turned into a PDF file. Obviously, we don't want this stuff in here. You know, there's still work that would have to be done to turn it into PDF. And this, I've been running this download command, I'd say, for about half an hour or an hour. The total size of... Let me get rid of this, actually, because... Wait, make sure I have all the little scripts out here that I need. So far. It might have been perfected. I guess I might as well just grab this PDF too. I do need to change the command there. Alright. The size of John Smith's blog right now is 1.6 gigabytes, and we're still going. All the stuff that's on the website, publicly available. Size, so it takes a while. And this I have 45. When this won't be finished till I have 45 of these weird looking things. To back up the subreddit, and that happens to be my evidence subreddit. It'd be a bigger job to have it done and ready for the main subreddit. Alright, so how am I doing this? What magic incantation am I using? Alright, so this is there's a program called Wget, W-G-E-T. And there's a Wget for Windows. And actually I can go through the steps of setting that up. I'll fire up my virtual machine to show that. And I save the command that I would use for Reddit. The command to back up someone's blog is a lot shorter than the command you would need for a subreddit. It's actually harder to back up a subreddit because you can't just do a one-liner, basically. Okay, so the way this works is you have to actually open up... Actually open up the old-fashioned terminal, and you can automate all the complexities you have to type in. You can at least narrow it down. Well, at least in Linux, you can do it this way. Or OS X. So if you have OS X, this will work as well. As long as you have Wget installed. And if you open up the command prompt or the terminal or whatever the hell they call it in OS X, and you type WGET in it, and it responds. It doesn't say no such command or directory, but it actually responds. This script that I have here will work, and I'm going to upload this script to Google Drive so people could download it. Well, this is the evidence one. I haven't made one for the main subreddit yet as well. Just like the RRS feed, you have to have the whole URL present in the script to download all the comments from a particular post. So each one of these lines is just a post in at the evidence subreddit, and that one has 44 posts. To back up a subreddit, you basically have to have the URL that points to the subreddit itself, and then one URL for each comment. So someone's got to go in. It's not that hard though. So let me see if I could do. And I'm going to rename this. Is it safe to rename? I think. Okay, a couple other things you could do. Once you have, in fact, I'm just going to do this to truth seekers. Here it is. So truth seekers is still downloading, and even while it's still downloading, there is some magic incantation you can do. Some Linux. Where is it? Here it is. You can make a CD image out of the contents of the blog that'll mostly be preserved. It can't. CD format doesn't. You can also zip it up if you want to. That'll preserve everything. But for some reason, if you want to have it on a CD and transport it that way, this will work as well. The command is this monstrosity. Okay, so I have a directory called Truth Seekers Blog. In that directory is currently downloading the contents of his blog, and the last I checked, it was over 1.5 gigabytes big. If you put all this stuff in there, it'll create a CD image called Truth Seeker, and I've already tested this out, but we're going to do it again. And there are almost 2 gigs now. It is saved. There it is. There it is. .8 gigaboobs. 1.8 gigabytes. All right. So open this up with some. This program will mount a CD image. Let you look at what's in there. Now I've tried to make the command that I'm running here in this script so it will load files from the local directory and not have to have an internet connection to have everything come together. Basically, of course, when a file's up on the internet, it'll point to another file on the internet. Even pictures and things are coming in from all over the place to make the blog look the way it does. I've tried to have this so it downloads everything, but I'm not sure it actually will. I'm going to close this just to show that, well, that possibility works. You could either zip up the contents of everything that's been downloaded, and we're still going. Every time it goes to the next line, it is downloading another single HTML file. Same for this subreddit here. And now I'm at 27 of 45. Hopefully this will end fairly shortly. The next thing I could actually do is I can make a PDF, one giant PDF, out of my subreddit. I've already made one giant PDF out of the Forumer forum, and I'm almost done. I stopped. I mean, I'm almost done having it completely formatted so it doesn't have any basic crap in there. So let me just show that. Where was I? You mean I'm not fucking recording? Or am I? Okay, yes I am. Okay.